First we have to remove boards. Okay, just have to cut that sealant. Okay. Got it. You can use a tool. Go under. Just like this. That way you'll remove the boards. That is a regular bedroom with closet, carpet. Try to remove carpet and install laminate. We'll see why contractors charge us so much for install laminate. I think it's so easy. I never done anything like this. I will try it. We'll see how it will go. First demolition, have to remove everything. Okay, how to start removing carpet. Alright, let's see. Here I actually have like space. That's good space. You just need something, grab it. Okay, let's try with that one. Alright, you see, it's so easy to remove carpet. Unbelievable. Easy. Okay, let's see. Okay, just like that. So easy to remove carpet. Alright. Take probably like 5 minutes, maybe less. Alright, done. Removed carpet from that room. Took me, amateur, never done it before, maybe like, I don't know, 7 minutes or so. Something like that, very fast. And right now I have to remove that boards with nails. It's also a big deal. Alright. To remove that carpet holders, nails, just use chisel and a hammer. Very easy to do. It's very easy job. I don't know, every teenager will do probably. I don't know why contractors charge us so much.